Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am going to show you how to create a user account and password set for user account and switch user account in Linux operating system. To create a user account, I have to go to terminal. For that, I have to right click on the desktop and open terminal. This is my root user. Now I am going to create a user. For that I have to type user add space username. Before is username, I have been chosen the username is P4 and hit the enter button. User P4 has been created and I will set password for P4 user. For that I have to type password and username P4 and hit the enter button. I have to type new password for P4 user. Viewers, I have typed the password here but didn't show the password in terminal and hit the enter button. Retype new password and I have to type the password again and hit the enter button. Password all authentication token update successfully, and I am going to switch user account to U1 user account. I have already created user on account previously. I have to type su hyphen space u1 and hit the enter button. Viewers, I am in user on account, and now I am going to switch P4 user account again. su space P4 and I have to type the password and hit the enter button. Viewers, P4 user has been logging. I am going to switch user account to root user account. su space hyphen hit the enter button and I have to type the root user account password and hit the enter button. Now I am going to lock P4 user account. For that I have to type usermod space hyphen capital L space username. Before I have typed P4 username because I am going to log P4 user and hit the enter button. P4 user has been locked. Before we could switch P4 user to U1 user. Now we cannot switch user to user on from P4 user, and now I am going to switch P4 user from root user. For that I have to type su space p4 and hit the enter button. p4 user has been logging. Now I am going to show you that u1 user cannot logging p4 user. So I have to type su space hyphen p4, hit the enter button. Password authentication failure because root user has been locked p4 user. For that u1 user cannot switch p4 user. If we switch u1 user to p4 user, we have to unlock p4 user from root user. For that I have to switch root user. su space, hit the enter button. I have to type password, hit the enter button, and I have to unlock p4 user to switch u1 user from p4 user. For that I have to type user mode space hyphen u space username and hit the enter button. User p4 has been unlocked and I have to switch user 1 from p4 user. su space hyphen u1, hit the enter button, and user 1 has been logging. Now I am going to show you user 1 switch to p4 user. I have to type su space hyphen p4 and hit the enter button. I have to type password red hat. The p4 user has been logging. There was one failed logging attempt since the last successfully logging. Now I am going to show you how to remove the p4 user account. For that I have to switch root user. su space, I have to type password. Userdel space hyphen r, type username and hit the enter button, and user p4 has been deleted.